This is Stefano here with Busan Dialect lesson number 7. In this lesson, I will talk about the word ni. Ni, which is a first person pronoun meaning you or yours. And while this is not exclusive to Busan dialect, other parts of Korea they'll sometimes say ni. It's more commonly used in the southern parts of the Korean peninsula. And it's a versatile word that's used mainly between close friends and family. So you wouldn't say ni to address some stranger on the street. This is reserved for closer relationships. So let's jump into some examples. First example.
니는 어쩔 건데? 니는 어쩔 건데?
In Seoul, the main difference in this example would be 너는 어쩔 건데? 너는 어쩔 건데? Versus 니는 어쩔 건데? What are you going to do? The sentence means, what are you going to do? Let's take a look at a second example.
니부터 시작하자. 니부터 시작하자.
So here again we have ni at the beginning of the sentence. 니부터 시작하자. In Seoul, 너부터 시작하자. 너부터 시작하자, which means let's start with you. For example, if you're in the classroom and the teacher might point to a student and say, 니부터 시작하자. In normal conversations between close relatives and friends, it's common to drop the particles 이, 가, or 은는 when the context is clear. The context of the sentence is obvious. So you might hear, instead of 니는 어쩔 건데, you might hear 니 어쩔 건데, which is pretty common, especially in these close relationships. So let's take a look at a third example.
니도 빨리 옷을 갈아입으라. 니도 빨리 옷을 갈아입으라.
니도 빨리 옷을 갈아입으라. 니도 빨리 옷을 갈아입으라. Which in Seoul might sound like 너도 빨리 옷을 갈아입으라. 너도 빨리 옷을 갈아입으라. So the difference is subtle, but in the very first word, you have 니도 versus 너도, and 갈아입으라. In Seoul, 갈아입으라, which means change your clothes, 옷을 갈아입으라. And in Busan, that all vowel, as I mentioned in lesson 3, the all vowel becomes so 갈아입으라, 갈아입으라. And one last example for this lesson.
와, 니 진짜 많이 먹는다 오늘. 와, 니 진짜 많이 먹는다 오늘.
와, 니 진짜 많이 먹는다 오늘. Which in Seoul might sound like 와, 니 진짜 많이 먹어 오늘. 와, 니 진짜 많이 먹어 오늘. Which means, wow, you're really eating a lot today. 와, 니 진짜 많이 먹어 오늘. 와, 니 진짜 많이 먹는다 오늘. So a lot of it's about intonation, which obviously I'm not a Busan native, so I haven't mastered it, but I encourage you to listen to the recordings of real natives that I've provided with these videos. And refer back to lesson 4 if you missed it for an explanation of the plain form, 먹는다, which is used commonly in Busan instead of 먹어요. And again, I'll emphasize that it's important not to use this word ni to address strangers or your elders in Korea. This is reserved for close family or friend relationships. So that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.